Good morning, students. In our GK, we are going to read chapter. Today we are going to read chapter 42, first aid. 43, heavenly bodies, and chapter 44, water facts. So today, first we will study about the first aid. So sometimes we suffer minor injuries at home which do not need medical specialist, but can be treated at home if we have knowledge of first aid. If we have knowledge of first aid, we can treat a minor injuries at home. So given below are some questions related to the first aid. So you have to tick the right option. So A is, if a wound is caused by a minor cut or scratch, then you must, what should you do that time in that condition? Second one, first wash it with water and then apply an antiseptic cream over it. B, if a person suffers from nose bleeding, he or she should, what should she or he do? Third one, not lie down, rather lean forward very slightly. Use a cold ice pack on the forehead or back of the neck. C1, if a particle of dust gets into your eyes, you must. So answer is first one. So flush the eyes with clean water. Do not rub or you may scratch your cornea. D1. D, if a person is feeling giddiness, you should. If a person is feeling giddiness, let the person lie down and loosen the tight fitting cloths. Sixth one, E, if an insect sting which causes pain and swelling, you should. If an insect sting, we should wash the affected spot with lime water. So these treatment we can give to the person at home who is injured. Okay, next chapter is chapter 43, heavenly bodies. So read the clues and fill in the blanks. There are usually accompanied by a long shining tail. They are luminous celestial bodies which move around the solar system. What they are called? They are called comets. They are called comets. So second one is, it is an object that moves around a planet. It is satellite. Third one who travels in space is called. One who travels in space is called a astronaut. It's called the astronaut. Fourth one, it is a family that has the sun, the planets, the comets and the asteroid. Our Earth is one of the planets of the solar system. Fifth one, they look like clouds of lights. They are huge groups of stars. Each has millions of stars. Some have spiral shapes, some are shapeless and some are oval. It is called a galaxy. Sixth one, it is the only star in the solar system. It is in the center of the solar system. What is this? All the planets go around it. It gives us heat, light and energy. Can you guess? It is sun. Seventh one, it is a type of rocket. It makes many trips to space and back to the earth. It carries people and machines. What is this? It is space shuttle. Eighth one, it is the branch of science that studies stars, planets and everything in space. It is astronomy. Ninth one, They are small bodies coming from inner planetary space. They are popularly known as the meteors. 10th and last one, the clouds of rarefied gas which exist between stars due to the radiation of the lights of the stars, which are known as the nebulae. Okay, so these were some information about the heavenly bodies. Some name of some heavenly bodies. So now next and last chapter of today's class is chapter 44, water facts. So next to air, water is an important. First one is air and next one is water is also important. Natural resources essential for the survival of life on the earth. Water is called the axis of life. So take the correct option. A. Water is made up of two elements. One is hydrogen and the second one is oxygen. B. The ocean that contains the deepest trench on earth is the Pacific Ocean. C. Angel Falls, the highest waterfall in the world, is found in. Where is the Angel Fall? Angel Fall is in Venezuela. And D. Less than dash of the water supply on earth can be used as a drinking water. Only 1% water is drinking water. Okay, it is 1%. E. Water freezes at 0 degree centigrade. F. Water vaporizes at 100 degree centigrade. Water covers around 70% of Earth's surface. Water covers around 70% of Earth's surface. And H. The longest river in the world is the Nile River. Nile River is the longest river in the world. And the I and the last, frozen water is dash water in the liquid form. Frozen water is of the same weight as water in the liquid form. Okay, so today we have finished chapter 42, 43 and 44. So you will complete this chapter in note and book also. You will write in note also and send the pic in the homework group or in school app. Okay. Have a nice day, students.